Let's be real. Most fashion advice for women over 50 just doesn't work. You don't need more clothes, you need a better system. First, fix the fit. If everything is loose, it looks shapeless. If it's too tight, it feels off. A simple piece that fits well will always look better than something expensive that doesn't. Second, stop buying random colors. Stick to a few base colors like navy, camel, cream, or black. When your basics match, getting dressed becomes easy. Third, add structure. A top and pants alone looks unfinished. Adding a blazer or a simple layer makes it look put together. Look at the difference. Loose top and loose pants, flat. Now change it. Fitted top, straight pants, and a light layer. Clean, structured, and put together. That's why outfits don't look right. You're missing a simple system. I put the full system into a simple style guide for women 50 plus. You open it, pick an outfit, and you're done. It's in the link below.